Morning, guys. How we doing? Nima, yeah, Andrew fat shamed me over the weekend. Definitely. Definitely fat shamed me. Morning, DJ. How was your guys' weekend? Morning, Abu, by the way. Fletcher, welcome. Like we gapped up on the overnight, filled the gap, and ran. So we're going higher. Hey, Nima, how do you like this upside price action, by the way? Sorry I missed your call this morning. I wasn't at the desk when you rang me. Oh, no. You sick? You got the ick? Morning, Savvy. DJ, yes. Yes, I did. I'm not trading that on stream, though. Dave. Yeah, that was funny. I should just change my my YouTube channel to Fat Man Trading. Fat Man Trading. Oh, still the pinched nerve? You're still dealing with that? Did you go to the chiropractor, Nims? Fattest trader on YouTube. That's what I should go to. All right, guys. Naked 500 sub special. Yeah, that's not happening. Morning, Jose. Losing feeling in your hand is progress, huh? Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I don't know if losing feeling in the hand is ever a good sign. My read on the day, guys, is going to be this 21,040 level. What's up, home? I think if we hold this 21,040 level, the 21,200 is probably inevitable. Above 21,200, we're looking at probably 450 up in here. Morning, Phoenix. Dump on open. Yeah, I know. Every day the opening bell has been 200 to 300 points downside. We'll see what happens, though. I mean, if we lose this 21,040, we're probably coming back into at least 21,900, and I'm probably assuming the support zone here at 840 to 860. And it would just be more range action, I would think. I don't think we're going to see the continued aggressive selling that we saw last week. I think the market's going to take a little breather for a minute. Maybe retrace a little bit of that move. So I'm kind of anticipating upside to start at least today and tomorrow, or range bound. So I'll just be looking to play the extremes. I kind of eliminated all levels in between here because I don't think it's wise to get involved in anything in these black areas this week. You kind of want to be operating at the extremes. So that's where I'm going to be executing today. But I don't mind where we're opening up at. It should give some decent action here at this level. According to the SMC Lux Algo indicator, we do have a negative order block that we're kind of hanging out just below right now. Um, so we'll keep that in mind. There is a pivot up here as well at 21,090. So we'll see what happens. We'll see if we get the drop back into 20,900 on the open. Markets are open, guys. Good luck. Be patient. Don't get wrecked in the first 5 minutes of the week. Yeah, Jose, we do have news at what, 9:45 and 10 o'clock Eastern? Morning, Sanders. Welcome, brother. How you been? How's the trading been? Have you been trading, or you just been, is your job keeping you occupied? Nimkins, no one wants to see your feet. All right, let's see if this level holds here. Trying to. Yeah, Sanders, like beginning of the year always with, I'm assuming you're in the corporate world. It's always pretty like busy the first quarter of the year and kind of slows down in the summer. Well, we got the hold. I should have just hit it. Well, at least it's not rifling to the downside right when the bell sounds today. So there's a little bit of balance there. I'm liking more upside, so let's try it. We'll risk 30 points. If we can get through 100 with some strength. All right, I'm gonna lock something in here, guys. I'm not gonna let this come all the way back on me. All right. Well, that was an $800 trade to start. Actually, was it 800? No, it was like 700. I'm thinking 200 is on the table this morning. I'm not in love with the short side until we're back below this 21,040 and holding below, fall back into the range. So I'm thinking 21,200 is probably where we're heading. That was a good push. I'm sure we'll get some of those violent spikes back down, but I have a feeling that this area is going to hold. these candles a little bit bigger for you guys. These VWAPs all the way down at 990, 995. Holy. All right. Um, let's see if they just run liquidity on the top and bottom side here. One second chart palm. Holy. All right, let's see if 40 holds. Well, holding for now. Anybody grab that? I should have hopped back on. Morning, Jack. Morning, Kev. Kev, this 40 long is playing for lots of points this morning, apparently. Took the first ride with me? Yeah. Yeah, it was. I mean, this is going to be the tell. Can't really get on board with shorts until it's holding below here. Like, it would need to break and then come back and retest it for me at this point, because that is definitely trying to act as major support right now. Like maybe sweep below, test VWAP, and see if we can get a reclaim for the ride back up again. Aggressive below VWAP. I don't like it. I think we're back down into 900. See if VWAP bounces or just flushes right through. And M's just hold on. Not really a haircut, Mason. Just shaved the sides, cleaned them up around the ears. Didn't really do anything with the top. I did it myself, so nothing fancy. You guys are funny. All right. Well, since all you are hoping for the doom and gloom here, I'm long. Yeah, we might be going to 900. I probably should have waited. Yeah, I'm going to get swept out here. Too heavy. Should have waited for it to settle down. All right. So that just gave back everything that I made on the first trade. So we're flat on the session now. Morning, Rice. No, Ali, I had a $750 winner and a $700 loser. Like it's not really rough. I do think we go back up though. In fact, I might even try it again. I think they just swept me out. Nims, just give it up. You say that all the time. What happened Friday? You said we were going to 20K on Friday. I mean, we're still trading above Friday's close. So I don't know what I don't know what you're thinking. No more music. Can you just not hear it? Is it there now? I don't know. I have music playing on OBS. Albu. Well, that's strange. Let me check it out real quick. See what's going on. It should be playing. Can you hear it now? I mean, I turned it way up, so it might be blasting your ears at this point. Well, that's interesting. Because OBS is picking it up. My mic is. How about now? Just start singing. I don't know what's going on. I don't know why there's no music. Gonna have to deal with it for now. It doesn't make any sense. Everything's showing up. That it's like it's registering on my OBS. All right, let's give this a go one more time. We can go back and test 40. And then we'll see what happens at 40. It might want 900 first. I hope not, but these opening bell sellers are really getting on my nerves every day. Like it's immediate 200 points to the downside every day. They need to get ran over once so they stop doing it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Are you kidding me with this nonsense? I'm out. Through this. Just random 949 50-point sell off out of nowhere. My gosh. Yeah, I don't understand. It's like someone flips a switch out of nowhere these days and just is like, yeah, and then they'll retrace this whole little violent sell off. Like 949. I mean, come on. No news, no nothing, just violence. Randomly. Well, it started off with a good morning, and now it's gone to crap with 1 second. No, Nims. Now these sellers just need to get wrecked. Like, that's what needs to happen. They need to get wrecked. Nope, I'm not bringing anybody on today. Sorry, guys. Put a jacket on, Nims. No, he'll just sit in the waiting room. No, Mason's in the waiting room now as well. They're not there anymore. They're not there anymore, Ollie. Forcibly moved by Mason. I'm sorry, but this action every single opening bell for 9 straight days now is getting really old. Nims, I'm not bringing you on. I'm trying to trade. I'm trying to trade. Like every stream turns into trading with the boys. Every single stream. I don't know if Phoenix can even access the stream waiting room. I'm not sure if he can or not. Oh, Fletcher, it's just like, come on. I'm sorry, but hitting the short button on the opening bell every single day and being rewarded massively is just ridiculous. Like eventually they have to wreck the shorts as well. They can't just wreck longs. Yeah, they don't even give you like really. I mean, I guess the VWAP retest on the break and retest there off VWAP. I mean, that might be the only entry that I see there. To hop on any of that move. But like this is just too aggressive. Yeah, Mason, this is every day right now. Literally every session is this exact same way. Every single day is just a repeat of the previous. I don't know if there's any adapting to do. You just hit the sell button. That's all you do. You hit the sell button and sit back. And if you're on prop, hope it doesn't hit your DLL. Like right now, this pump, unfortunately, I would normally take this long on the reclaim inside overnight lows just for, you know, at least 20 points. But it happens 1 minute before news. So it's like, do you really want to get involved? You know? And while that trade would work out for 20 plus points, you can't get on board because of the timing of it. Just like the random 50 point sell off at 9:49 from up here. But think about that. In 10 minutes, we're already another 150 points down. 10 minutes. All right, I'm trying it. I know it's aggressive. Come on, quit rewarding these shorts, dude. My gosh, man. It's so annoying. Nims, I'm not letting you in. I'm turning my phone off. I'm trying to make money here, Nims. Like, just stop, please. Guys, Nims is blowing up my phone. He's sitting in the stream waiting room. Bro, I got to trade, bro. Like, I can't just constantly talk about feet blisters and pinched nerves. I have to make money. I had a bad week last week. And Nims, I mean this in the kindest way possible. I love you, brother, but man, like I have to actually focus on the charts. Like I have to trade. It has to happen. I hope you can understand that. I hope I'm not upsetting you. I that's the point, Nims. I don't want to look at what you said. I can't sit here and listen to the, I can't do this all day. I have to trade. I have to focus up. Like, my goodness. Nims, I will call you after the stream. I promise. All right, guys. I'm trying along again. I like that we're holding this area. I think we at least get VWAP out of it. Just hopefully I don't get wrecked in the process. Let's target 21,020. My gosh, dude, these sellers. My gosh, man. It's just relentless. every single day is relentless selling. And like I can't put a break even stop in yet because it's going to take me. But if this is the move, which I think it could be, I have to hang in there. Dude, come on. I don't know how to trade this guys. I don't know how to trade it. I mean, that's 50 points. 50 points up, and in 2 seconds, we're gone. Like, we're completely wiped away. It's unbelievable. Yeah, Ollie, Nims has got me all like. I mean, I'm not blaming him on my trading, but like this volatility is just ridiculous. Like, even if you're on the short side, like this pump back up 100 points or 150 points here in 2 5-minute candles is just absurd. Like, you can't even get a good read. You cannot even get a good read. No, Nims, I don't even know what you sent. Nims, I don't even know what you sent me. I have no idea what you sent me. I didn't even look at it. My phone is turned face down. I haven't looked at any messages. Like, I want to try this again. So I will. Even into the face of all this selling. And I'm trying not to like move my stops to break even real quick, because that's just a recipe for disaster. But the 50-point slides, 100-point slides out of nowhere make it nearly impossible to not do that right now. I mean, come on, man. Like, dude. Oh, jeez. I'm going to get wicked out of this, and then it's going to run. That's what's going to happen here. I can feel it. I can absolutely feel it. There it is. There's the wick out. Oh, nice, Palm. Happy birthday. I swear, if this thing pops now. I don't know. Interest is definitely flipped to the downside. This morning, it was to the top side. Big time. I mean, I'm up. Sad part is, even with all how frustrated I am, I'm up almost $500 on the session. I don't know how, but I'm just looking at my P&L right now, and I'm still up $500 on the session. All right. We're at value area low currently, so I'm not. I don't know if it wants to try to sweep down one more time, but I'm not opposed to the longs from here again. Oh, Kev, you're long from 20,808. Morning, Khaled. See what happens here at overnight lows. Continues to reject and wants further down. If we can get a reclaim. I just don't know if it wants to come and grab these orders down here around 750. Feels like that might be what this might be the goal. But I mean, you can clearly see where interest is here. Definitely to the downside. Yeah, Kev, I don't mind it. I don't mind longs at all. In fact, I'm going to try it. Oh, and of course, as soon as I enter. As soon as I enter. Yeah, this thing wants more downside. Unbelievable. Yeah, I gotta kill this thing. Market's just got me. Market has just got me. Every single entry is just an immediate. Nope, no thanks. Guys, I'm gonna call it there. I'm annoyed. I'm frustrated. I'm not going to tilt. I'm gonna go do something else for a little while. Nims, I'll call you later on. Happy birthday, Palm. I will see you all on Wednesday. Peace.